Hello guys, we are from group 18. My name is Hatisufi Wijaya.
Hello guys, my name is Ikhsandy Alfindo and today we will presentation about our experiment. Let's see.
The purpose of the experiment. First, to find out that sugar can be used as fuel in this practicum. Second, to find out that potassium nitrate can be used as a catalyst. Third, to find out that sodium bicarbonate can be used as a reaction rate controller. And the last one is for personal entertainment.
First, basic theory. Potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate, also called saltpeter or nitrate, is a white solid soluble in water formed by fractional crystallization of sodium nitrate and potassium chloride solutions. Potassium nitrate appears as a white to dirty gray crystalline solid, water-soluble, non-combustible, but accelerates the burning of combustible materials. If large quantities are involved in fire, or the combustible material is finally divided, an explosion may result. Sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as the bicarbonate of soda, is a salt composite of a sodium cation and a bicarbonate anion. Sodium bicarbonate is a white crystalline powder that is commonly used as pH buffering agent, an electrolyte replacer, systematic alkalizer, and in the topical cleansing solutions. Sugar. Granulated sugar, also sometimes known as refined or white sugar, is a beet or cane sugar which has been processed, allowed to crystallize, and dried so that the crystals do not clump together. Second, chemical reaction. There are several different ways to make a smoke bomb, but the most common method uses potassium nitrate as oxidizer, sugar as fuel, and sodium bicarbonate as reduction reagent. The potassium nitrate and sugar react in an explosive reaction when lit. The reaction is moderated by the sodium bicarbonate, so that the smoke bomb creates smoke for a longer period of time rather than just burning out. During the combustion of the smoke bomb, the sugar will be oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. The nitrogen in the potassium nitrate will be reduced to nitrogen gas. The potassium will end up put as a potassium carbonate, or the carbon coming from the carbon dioxide from the sugar. Source equipments. In the equipments, we will use the materials and tools. The materials is potassium nitrate, sugar, sodium bicarbonate, clothes dye, or food coloring, optional. And the tools is drink cans, string, and lighter. Fourth procedure. First, add the potassium nitrate, sodium bicarbonate, and sugar. Stir until well mixed. Second, add the clothes dye or food coloring, optional, and stir until well mixed. Third, put into the drink can, slip the string on it as a wick. Fourth, burn the wick with a lighter and the smoke will appear little by little.
And here is the video. Happy watching! result. The potassium nitrate and sugar react in an explosive reaction when lit. This reaction is moderated by the sodium bicarbonate so that the smoke bomb creates smoke for a longer period of time rather just burning out. During the combustion of the smoke bomb, the sugar will be oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. Sixth, conclusion. Smoke bomb is a firework designed to produce smoke upon ignition. Smoke bombs are useful to airsoft games, military units, and self-defense. Potassium nitrate functions as a catalyst, which is to quicken the reaction rate. Sodium bicarbonate functions as a reaction rate controller, and sugar is used as fuel. The strength is, first, doesn't need a lot of ingredients. Second, the ingredients are easy to find. And the third one is this experiment is easy to do. The weakness is first, dangerous for children. Second, dangerous for environment because it emits a lot of smoke. And the third one is if the mixture is not right, it can explode. Seventh, suggestion for a better experiment. First, drink cans filled until completely full. Second, use food coloring to make it safer. Third, use the right mixer. Fourth, if you want to extinguish it, don't use water, use sand for backfill instead. And the last one is do the experiment in the outdoor. Avoid closed place or indoor. Eighth, and this is the reference we use. And that's all from us. Thank you for listening.